If you're thinking about buying a Grand Seiko in 2024, you might just want to wait until you watch this episode. It is 3:15 p.m. Let's get down to business. Now guys, this episode's brought to you by The Time Teller Shop, and we have a daily deal going on today on this Rosenbush Quest. You can get it for under $400 today when you use this coupon code. Don't miss out, because probably by the time you watch this episode, someone will have already purchased it. With many people still uncertain about the economy, it makes sense that more people's spending habits have changed, with a focus being on stable and secure investments. And just based upon my inbox and the questions I've been getting, seems like the watch world is not impervious to this, and a lot of people are really focusing on their watch purchases and how great of a return on investment they might get. So listen, that's why I want to come on here and tell you today that if you're looking for an appreciating asset, Grand Seiko should be the last watchmaker you choose from in 2024. Listen, Grand Seiko's value retention is worse than it's ever been. With in-production Grand Seikos trading for 35.1% below retail value on the secondhand market. Now that sounds pretty bad, and it sounds like maybe you should totally stay away from this watchmaker. But maybe there's another way of looking at this data. I mean, it is true that Grand Seiko's market prices have fallen 5.6% in the last 180 days, and their secondary market prices have dropped 35.1%. But if you're like me and you don't care at all about investing in watches or buying watches as an investment, then right now might actually be the best time to add a Grand Seiko to your collection. So what's the point of this episode? Well, I guess this is yet another data point that reinforces the fact that you need to buy what you like and not really worry about anything else. Because there are a bunch of numbers thrown out here, like, oh, it's falling 5.6%. Oh, they're trading 35.1% below retail value. But the truth is, if you're someone that just wants a Grand Seiko, then this should kind of excite you, because you have an opportunity right now to kind of get in on the ground floor, so to speak. You're not going to be taking the initial ding of depreciation because it's already happened in a big way. So really, all of these numbers would just mean you're getting a watch you want for a lot less than you'd normally have to pay. See? There's always a silver lining. So Grand Seiko. They're known for incredible finishing, really innovative concepts like spring drive, and some really fun presentations on various complications. And they're kind of tanking on the secondary market. That sounds like a good purchase to me. But let me know what you guys think. I learned from you just as much as you learned from me, and I'm sure there's an economist out there that would beg to differ. So please, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you there. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, The Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.